Apo or some walk, I been leaning like crazy. Niggas can't take my spot cause they lazy. You know I been running this shit for a minute. The fuck niggas trying to race me. All these bad bitches be trying to rape me. These niggas get greedy then start acting shady. I come from the block, know that shit kinda made me. Now I ball every season like Brady. And these niggas bro, that's the reason they hate. Hit this bitch with the stove, now she stalking my page. I'm locked in with the low, so you know what I'm banging. Got partners that's bloods, I don't care what they claim. Cause we hit the club, if I swing then they swing. And just got some new drip and I can't even name. I just got a new whip, that bitch pushing 280. It's crazy, I just spit the brick on my baby. Was selling 3-5s, ballin' hard like I'm Katie. What's rule number 5? It ain't safe trying to play me. You know we outside, extra city that raised me. I'm lit, who you know make it in from the pavement. I came a long way from hitting licks like the Takers. Been ballin' so hard, kinda feel like the lake. Roll Kobe, I'm shacking, these niggas is faking. 600 4-wheel, bitch, come sign to the label.
I really been having this shit on line. Go check the keypad and deadbolt. Try to reach with my chain and get reunited with Jesus and all of your dead folks. See, I started with raw, then I went cooked up the rock before people's elbow. Ran over the game.